Today, let's talk about the prognostic value of myocardial salvage index by cardiac magnetic resonance in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction patients, a systematic review and meta-analysis. The objective of this study was to assess the prognostic value of myocardial salvage index, that is MSI, by cardiac magnetic resonance in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction patients. The database was searched from PubMed, Embase, Web of Science, Cochrane Central, China National Knowledge Infrastructure, and Banfeng to identify primary studies reporting myocardial salvage index in STEMI patients with major adverse cardiovascular events comprised of death, myocardial reinfarction, and congestive heart failure. The MSI and major adverse cardiovascular events, that is, MACE rates, were pooled. The bias of risk was assessed using the Quality in Prognosis Studies tool. The evidence level was rated based on the meta-analysis of hazard ratio and 95% confidence interval, that is CI, of myocardial salvage index for predicting major adverse cardiovascular events. Coming to the results, 18 studies were included covering 12 unique cohorts. 11 cohorts measured MSI using T2 weighted imaging and T1 weighted late gadolinium enhancement, while one cohort applied T2 mapping and T1 mapping. The pooled MSI was 44% and the pooled MACE rate was 10%. 7 prognostic studies overall showed low risk of bias. The HR per 1% increase of MSI for MACE was 0.95 and HR of MSI was less than median versus MSI was greater than median for MACE was 5.62, both rated as weak evidence. To conclude, myocardial salvage index presents potential in reducing major adverse cardiovascular events in ST segment elevation myocardial infarction patients. The prognostic value of myocardial salvage index using advanced cardiac magnetic resonance technique for adverse cardiovascular events needs further investigation.